Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma on your laptop. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Figma.com. You can log in or create a free account to start designing immediately. For a smoother experience, consider downloading the Figma desktop application, which offers better performance and offline access. This setup ensures you have the best environment for your design projects, whether online or with the dedicated app. Once you're in Figma, you'll encounter the main editor with its Canvas, Layers panel, and Properties panel. The Canvas is your workspace, while the Layers panel manages your design elements. The Properties panel allows you to adjust settings for selected objects, use frames to define artboards, and leverage shape and text tools to build your visual elements. Components are crucial for creating reusable elements, saving you significant time and ensuring consistency across your projects. Figma excels in collaboration, allowing multiple users to edit the same file simultaneously. You can easily share your designs with teammates, clients, or developers to gather feedback and streamline your workflow. Beyond static designs, Figma enables you to create interactive prototypes, transforming your concepts into clickable experiences. This helps visualize user journeys and test functionality before any code is written. Utilize the commenting features to communicate design iterations and ensure everyone is aligned. To truly master Figma, start by memorizing essential keyboard shortcuts. They significantly speed up your design process. Also, explore the vast library of community plugins to extend Figma's functionality, from content generation to advanced layout tools. These additions can transform your workflow. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your clean game, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to that, along with other great deals, in the description below. Keep practicing and experimenting to unlock Figma's full potential.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.